Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the Windows program in C Sharp, and in this session number 10 we are going to learn how to link a combo box with the database values. And for this thing we just need to create a combo box, and here is the update student form which we are created in the last program. And first of all, I am creating the interface for this thing, and I am using a label here, and just use this thing. And here's the properties. I'm using update student report, update student report, and change this thing to heading to 18. Use the monotype, italic, and 18th. Same interface for our program, and change the color as we are creating this thing. The last one, maroon color. So now first of all, I am going to get a value of student roll number. Suppose I want to get the roll numbers and use 12th value, Microsoft monotype, italic, bold, 12, and change the color into maroon. Okay. Now I will use a combo box here. Now our task is how to show the values in the combo box from our database. The database, we have the values of the roll numbers. In the last program we are adding this value. We will use to add some more, but we will get the values from the database. And for this thing we need to perform some tasks. First of all, we need to insert the package, or for this thing using MySQL dot data, MySQL dot data dot MySQL client. Remember that is a case sensitive language, so you should be very careful about that. Okay, and now I need to create a new method, and that was need public void display info, display roll number combo, and just make this method here. This is a simple method. Now we have to perform this task, and I don't think so that it is better to write this again and again. So in this form 1, I not in main form we write this query, and here is the query. If you are not watching this tutorial from the start, then you need to copy this and learn how to insert the data. And I'm just copy this whole code here, just to save the time, because this was already done, and I'm just pasting it. And one more thing, and I just change student record updated. Okay, we need to change some commands, and here is the first command. This is the connection. We already told you that how to establish the connection, and here I want to change the query, display roll number. You can use any name, whatever, but we will use this in this double quotes. We will use the select command rather than to use the insert command, because we don't need to insert the data, we need to retrieve the data. So this is the one basic thing, that you don't need to retrieve the data, you did not need to insert the data. So first of all, we will write the query, and here is the query select and use the select static from and use the name of the table, student table, from which we want to retrieve the data. This is the name of our table in which the record was stored here, and you can see that this is the student table, his name is here. Okay, now after that we once again go to our program, and first of all we need to change this insert query and change it into display roll number query. Try to use the intelligence rather than to use the with your own hands, unable to update the data, whatever. But our task is unable to retrieve the data. So first of all, we don't need to get this message here. First of all, we are going to remove it from here, and after that all the data was stored in the CMD, and then CMD we used execute reader here. Now we need a loop here, loop to read the data, and for this thing we use while loop because we don't need how many values are in our column, so we just use it. And data reader dot read until the data was received. We will use this method here. Okay, I think it's case sensitive, so we don't read. Now in the next step we will get and add the value in the combo box. So first of all we will go back and just go and see what is the name of our combo box. So if we are not assigning the name of our combo box, then use this combo box is here. Okay, now we are going to our update student form, and first of all we will create a string variable. For example, I'm getting the roll number is equal to, and then use the data reader dot get string, and in this method you will give the name of your column name of your table from which you will get the data. For example, I am getting the name first. For S name is here, then I will change this S name into the roll number. So just check that whether my data was selected or no, S name, and after that we use combo box roll number dot items dot add, and here you will give the roll number. Okay, roll number, so number is M. So we are almost done, and first of all I'm going to check whether the connection was established from the combo box to the database or not. I'm just running my program, and then I will change the values and something else. Okay, first of all we will click on login, and here I am going to add one another, Muhammad Ali, and father name Rafiq Ahmad, address, house number, street number. You don't need to add the data, but I'm adding some more values so I can get the data. Ali at the rate of outlook.com, and register the student. Student registered successfully. Now we are going to see the added student. Okay, you can see that no record was found. Why? because we are creating a method, and method was not assigned initialization or something in the form. So how to get that method? We can create an instance of this method in the initialize component of our form. So this is our display roll number here. Just copy this and place this in the initialize after the initialize component, and then run this program again. Login, then edit and student record. Okay, you can see that our combo box was picking the values from the database Saf and Muhammad Ali, and you can see that if we refresh our values once again, and you can see that now two records was showing here, and you can see that two values are here, Saif, Muhammad Ali. Same values are picking from the database into our program. And now what we need to get the values of the roll number. So that was 1 or 2, just I'm telling you that how to get the values. And now I'm changing just a little bit the change here, and I'm going to change the column name of our required field into the desired one. So just change the s name into roll number, and then run this program again. And now you can see that instead of showing the values Saif and Muhammad Ali, and you can see that the values will be shown in the order of 1 and 2. So this will help us, because why I am selecting this 1 or 2, because in the next videos I will tell you how to retrieve the data on the basis of the primary key. So you can see that in student record we have the values. Student record, you can see that 1 or 2 is there. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos and tutorials, and thank you very much for